For as long as we can remember, the universe has stretched out above us, vast, ancient, and full of secrets. People have always gazed up at the stars, first with just their eyes, then with better and better telescopes, each one helping us peel back another layer of the unknown. Now, we have the James Webb Space Telescope, a golden marvel parked 1,000,000 miles from Earth. Webb isn't just a telescope, it's like a time machine, built to tackle the biggest questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone out here? By picking up the faintest traces of infrared light, Webb can see signals that have traveled across billions of years. Its mission? To witness the birth of the very first stars and galaxies, and to study the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. But Webb can also look closer to home, revealing new secrets about our own solar system, on worlds like Pluto, which we thought we already understood. We turned Webb's gaze to Pluto, the mysterious outsider at the frozen edge of our neighborhood. Back in 2015, New Horizons gave us a quick but stunning look, showing off Pluto's water-ice mountains and huge nitrogen plains. But Webb can do even more. It can stick around, watch, and break down the chemical fingerprints that reveal a world's deepest secrets. What Webb found on Pluto has completely changed what we thought we knew. This telescope is a true feat of engineering, unfolding its sunshield, cooling down to almost absolute zero, and sending back jaw-dropping images and data. Webb has shown us where stars are born and galaxies collide, but sometimes the wildest discoveries are right in our own backyard. Pluto has always been a puzzle, sitting way out at the edge of our solar system. Driven by curiosity, we pointed Webb at Pluto. New Horizons gave us a snapshot in time. Webb gives us a constant watchful eye. Webb can track changes, uncover hidden details, and show us things we've never seen before. What it found on Pluto? Nobody saw it coming. Even the planets we think we know best can surprise us the most. Thanks to Webb, we're finally seeing Pluto as it really is. The universe just got even more mysterious. Pluto, the underdog, the misfit, orbiting on a strange, tilted path smaller than our moon. For decades it was just a faint point of light, a ghost in the outer darkness. Its distance kept its true nature hidden, fueling our curiosity and fears. Pluto is a world of extremes. The sun is a bright star, nitrogen flows as glaciers, and everything is alien. It challenges our definition of what a world can be. The unknown is compelling and unsettling. Science fiction imagines monsters at the edge of the solar system, but real discoveries can be just as unsettling. Pluto sits in the Kuiper Belt, a graveyard of planetary formation filled with the solar system's leftovers. Studying Pluto could reveal evidence of ancient cataclysms or strange chemistry. Scientists felt a quiet anxiety. What if Pluto holds a key to a cosmic process with implications for Earth? The Kuiper Belt is wild and untamed. Pluto might be a witness to something profound from our system's past. The fear wasn't monsters, but discoveries that could rewrite what we know. Pluto's mystery is what makes it irresistible. It's the last stop before the interstellar void, a frontier of knowledge and fear. What we find there could change everything. Sometimes the scariest discoveries are the ones that force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Pluto is that kind of world. Pluto's story is one of discovery, controversy, and transformation. Discovered in 1930, it was the 9th planet for over 70 years, a beloved member of the solar system. Schoolchildren learned its name. It was the lonely outpost at the edge. But in the 2000s, astronomers found other Kuiper Belt objects, some rivaling Pluto in size. The International Astronomical Union redefined planet in 2006. Pluto met 2 criteria. It orbits the sun and is nearly round, but it hasn't cleared its neighborhood. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. The public outcry was huge. Pluto is a planet became a rallying cry. This debate was about more than science. It was about our connection to the cosmos. Pluto's demotion made it more interesting, not less. It became the king of a new class, the dwarf planets of the Kuiper Belt. Pluto is now the gateway to a vast, unexplored realm. Its story reflects how science evolves, shaped by discovery and debate. The controversy made us look closer, ask deeper questions. Pluto is no longer just the 9th planet. It's a symbol of our changing understanding. It's the start of a new chapter in exploring the outer solar system. Sometimes losing a title means gaining a whole new identity. Pluto's fall from grace made it a cosmic icon. It's not just a world, it's a frontier. And frontiers are where the biggest discoveries happen. Pluto's story is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Webb's infrared vision is perfect for studying cold, dark places like Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. The mission, not just pretty pictures, but spectroscopy, breaking down light to reveal chemical fingerprints. Webb stared at Pluto, gathering faint infrared light reflected from its surface. This light holds secrets about Pluto's atmosphere and icy plains. New horizons showed us what's there. Webb asks how and why. Scientists hunted for complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Finding them on Pluto would be monumental. The data streamed in, teams worked around the clock, and excitement grew. The chemical puzzle was coming together, and what they found was beyond anyone's expectations. Before the announcement, tension filled the astronomical community. The fear wasn't aliens but a process that could challenge our understanding of how worlds evolve. What if Pluto's strange chemistry pointed to a cataclysmic past or a great filter that sterilizes worlds? Webb's data hinted at a subsurface ocean and exotic chemistry, maybe even something truly alien. Pluto's secrets weren't just about Pluto, they were about the fate of worlds everywhere. The findings stunned the world. Webb's data revealed sharp absorption lines, chemical fingerprints of complex sulfur-based compounds, thioethers, rare in our solar system. These compounds clustered along the edges of Sputnik Planitia, suggesting they're being brought up from Pluto's interior. The evidence pointed to cryovolcanism, volcanoes erupting icy slush, not rock. Pluto is geologically active, powered by heat from its radioactive core. Its hidden ocean is resurfacing the planet, spewing out complex chemistry. On Earth, sulfur chemistry is linked to life in deep-sea vents. Finding these compounds on Pluto is both thrilling and unsettling. Webb's spectrograph mapped their distribution, painting a picture of a dynamic, complex world. Pluto is alive, at least geologically. The big question, if the chemistry is this complex, what else might be lurking in that dark ocean? The discovery is a triumph, and a Pandora's box of new questions. Pluto is no longer a dead world but a place of possibility. The discovery of active sulfur cryovolcanism on Pluto confirmed a deep scientific fear. Pluto has water, complex chemistry, and energy, the ingredients for life. But if it's sterile, what does that say about life's rarity? It suggests a great filter may prevent life even when conditions are right. Pluto becomes a cosmic tragedy, a world with potential but no life. This deepens the Fermi paradox. If habitable worlds are common, why is the universe silent? Pluto is a perfect test case. If we drill into its ocean and find nothing, it will be a profound, sobering discovery. The silence of Pluto makes our own existence seem even more precious. Sometimes the universe's greatest lesson is how rare and fragile life may be. Webb's discovery has transformed Pluto from a frozen relic to a prototype for habitable worlds. The focus of exploration may shift to icy outer worlds: Pluto, Eris, and the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The dream of sending a lander to Pluto now feels urgent. The technological challenge is immense, but the reward could be the answer to whether we're alone. Pluto is a tantalizing place to search for life's chemistry. This discovery reignites our imagination and proves the value of bold science. The solar system's story is still being written, and Pluto is now at its heart. The universe is waiting, we just have to keep looking.